Freedom is not simply a word, it is the pulse of a people. Yet, across Africa, freedom remains an illusion woven by fear. Fear is a weapon, sharpened by regimes, markets, and social forces. The threat of prison silences voices. The fear of hunger compels labor. The shadow of voter coercion dims democracy. In our communities, fear wears many masks: shame, exclusion, divine judgment. These invisible chains bind us from within as much as from without. When every path is guarded by fear, choice becomes compulsion. Freedom is not the absence of limits, but the integrity of the space in which we choose. Sankocracy calls us to reclaim our stories, our economies, and our spirits. To replace fear with trust, punishment with justice, isolation with community. To choose, at last, without chains. Join the movement. Reimagine freedom. Power Africa, where sovereignty begins.